to create and use Poppo Live account. So if you want to create and use Poppo Live account, then first make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you install the application, simply tap on open up the application. Once you open, now you can simply go with I have read the terms and conditions, and you can log in with your Google or your Facebook, or you can also log in with your email, mobile number, and all of these options. So I'll be choosing logging in with Google, and then tap on confirm if you want to allow the notifications. Tap on login with Google or Facebook, which will be easy for you, and then choose the Google account that you would like to use for creating. And from here you need to complete your personal data. So if you want to add a picture, then you can add a picture by simply tapping on the camera icon, and you need to enter the name and the date of birth, and then your country or your region and your gender. And once you've entered all of that, tap on submit, and it's compulsory to add your pictures. So simply tap on the camera and then tap on confirm while using the application. Tap on allow and then choose the image. Go with complete, which is on the upper right, and then tap on submit. And that's it. Now you've created your account, and now you can go with live, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on the live option. Once you tap on it, you will be going live on your Poppo account. Tap on live now and you'll be ready to use your live. And you can scroll down, and here you will have all of the persons that are live, and you can view all of the live videos that you want to. So that's how you can create and use Poppo Live account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.